Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to fully optimize Windows using a single PowerShell command. This tool consolidates hours of manual system tweaking into one interface, allowing you to reclaim system resources and block telemetry instantly. To start, right-click the Start button and select Terminal, Admin, or Windows PowerShell, Admin. It is mandatory to run this as an administrator to allow the script to modify system services and registry keys. In the terminal, type the following command exactly: irm-christidis.com/winpipiex and press enter. The utility window will open. Navigate to the Tweaks tab. This is the core of the optimization process. At the top of the Tweaks tab, you will see Category Presets. Click on Standard. This is the safest and most efficient preset. It disables tracking, removes pre-installed bloatware, and optimizes your background services without breaking Windows Update or the Microsoft Store. Before moving forward, ensure the Create Restore Point box on the right is checked. This creates a system snapshot so you can revert these changes if you encounter any issues. Once confirmed, click the Run Tweaks button. A log will appear in the background terminal showing every service being optimized in real time. When the log displays "Tweaks are finished," close the window and restart your PC. You will immediately notice a significant drop in background processes and RAM usage. Forward-thinking tip: optimization isn't a one-time event. Microsoft frequently pushes feature updates that can silently re-enable the telemetry and bloatware you just removed. Rerun this command once every few months to ensure your settings stay locked and your system remains lean. And that's it. Your Windows is now running at peak performance. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.